Hey guys, let's see how to turn off the monetization on YouTube or leave the partner program on YouTube as well. So here I have my channel, and then I just need to come here and click and select YouTube Studio. All right. Then I'm gonna come here and check the videos. Let's say, for example, I want to turn off monetization per video. I come here to content. And then here you see the monetization options. It's on for every single video. I can just come here, hit off and save. Then I'm going to turn off the monetization per video, okay? And if you wanted to disable the monetization for the entire channel or leave the YouTube partner program, you just need to come here to earn here on the left side. And from here, you just go down and you can leave the program. You see here the option to leave the program. Just click here and then you confirm that you're leaving the YouTube partner program. All right. So the monetization with ads, merchandise, membership, etc. is going to be finished. The copyright matching tool as well, and the historic revenue data in YouTube analytics. So if you want to rejoin the program in the future, you need to wait 30 days and apply again, right? So I'm going to confirm here that I want to leave the YouTube partner program. And it's done. Just wait for it to load. And now your videos are not monetized anymore, right? So I hope that helps. Please leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video.